engineers, before we begin task today, we are here for our toolbox meeting.
Alright, roll call. Confirm that you're present and fit for duty. I want honesty. Second engineer.
Present fit for duty.
Third engineer.
Present safe.
Electrical engineer.
Purpose Q.
Motorman.
Fit and ready.
Oiler.
Present chief.
Wiper.
Present sir. A bit tired. Rough night. But I can manage.
Wiper. We don't manage fatigue on the ship. Will you assign a light duties today? No heavy work near rotating machinery. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
We've got a busy schedule today. Second engineer. Third engineer. Electrical engineer.
Motorman. Oiler. And last, wiper.
Last one, main engine turbo changer inspection. Second engineer, come here. Explain what is turbo changer inspection.
Turbocharger is still from overnight stirring hazard include hot surface, moving part is not properly locked, oil miss, ignition freeze.
Chief, we did this last voyage. It's a simple job.
Simple jobs are exactly the work complacency kills people. Motorman, recite the lockout steps.
Stop the engine, close the valve, and
Second engineer, take over before someone gets hurt.
Look out, verify zero energy, cool down, information with owner limiting, and PPA compliance.
Good. See why you review? That's very important.
Third engineer. Purifier overhaul. Explain that. Come here.
Hazards include sharp edges, slipping hazards from oil, and heavy components. Use lifting tools and maintain clean decks.
Third, what if the purifier valve will slip again like yesterday?
It won't, Wiper. We'll learn from that, and we'll secure lifting eyes properly.
Electrical panel troubleshooting. Electrical engineer, come here and explain that.
We have an intermittent fault in the main switchboard. Hazards like arc flash, electric shock, fire risk. Controls like isolation, insulated tools, arc-rated PPE, no moisture.
Surprise yourself, electrical engineer. Your wife will hunt us.
Should blame you first, Oiler.
Motorman, explain possible hazard.
So the possible hazards are the toxic vapors, poor lightnings, and slippery surface, and confined space race.
Alright. All check must be land, and if gas level exceeds limits, stop immediately. Alright, please check your PPE before we go to work. We have a communication plan. Any job affecting propulsion requires immediate report to me and the bridge. Second engineer, while working on the turbo changer, keep on radio on.
Understood.
Environmental protection. No oil to bilges or hull. No authorized discharge. Remember, the ocean remembers everything we dump into.
We have open discussion. Any question?
Chief, with all this restriction, how are we supposed to finish on time?
Motorman, you finish safely or you don't finish at all. A fast job done and safely is a slower disaster waiting to happen.
Understood, Chief. Okay.
Thank you, everyone. We are all skilled professionals. Work with your minds, not just your hands. If something feels wrong, stop works and calls me. No expectations. Wiper, you're doing fine. Speak up and ensure.